In this video, we are going to do a cosmetic modification by painting this chrome piece right here. I'm not exactly an anti-chrome person. I do like the chrome trim right here on the front grille. Although some of you do prefer it to have a complete blackout look, but I do like the chrome. However, I do like this lower chrome trim to be blacked out. So what I did, I took two pictures of the front of the car and I photoshopped it. One with the chrome trim and one painted black, just to see how it looked. I'm gonna use black spray paint instead of Plasti Dip, so there's no turning back. I'm not gonna go over all the steps to prep and paint, so I'm just gonna show you real quickly what I did. I think it turned out great. I like the look. I bet 99% of Accord owners will not even notice that the bottom grille has been painted black. Let me know what you think, thumbs up or thumbs down. Now let's take the car out of the garage and see how it looks.